right, into the market update. If we have a look here with regards to the price action hugging the Gantt square, we've got some beautiful curvature around the kill zone. The climb up here along the 1/2 gets a little bit of resistance as a potential turning point, but says nah, comes back down, crawls along the second level of the Gantt square, bounces up into this region and giving us an idea of it turning at this point. Now, the reason why it's here is because of our x3 price squared probability rolling out. There's also confluence with the time projection tool. There is confluence with the sine wave. And of course, it's in the region of where the arc and the fan line cross. So that isn't the only information that it's giving us. If we go to off-chart information, we can also see that 58300 is on a cardinal cross. So let's have a look at that right now. So we go to here, type in 58300, and you'll see that's at the corner of where this numerology set Gantt square of 9 suggests that resistance will be formed. Alright guys, so you had a recap on yesterday's market. We're about to divulge into the next. What I want you to recognize here is the importance of the kill zones. The kill zones are there to protect us from losing potential capital when turning points kind of slide out and not become the actual turning points. And they also give us a direction as to where price would like to go from there. So for now, we just want to hold back until a trend has absolutely made up its mind on what it wants to do. Does it want to go down or does it want to go up? Until that point, we just got to watch it out, and I'll tell you a bit more in this next segment. Alright guys, let's do a quick recap of what happened yesterday. So you saw earlier on in the video that we were going to have price turn around at 5. That's exactly what happened. It's since then come down to form 6. 6 we thought was going to form over here, but it came up, came back down, and actually formed a double bottom to continue on to 7. This is what 7 looks like at the moment. I have two options here for us. Number 1 is an uptrend forecast for 7. That is, if price goes up and creates a higher high, that's where we anticipate it to turn. Alternatively, if it continues at the current energy that it has, it's going to come across to this forecast and turn down to a downtrend after it reaches this point. Let's have a quick look at the aerial view. Over here, I've got the probability of a downtrend unrolling. I'm assuming that 1/1 will be its chosen line as it goes down. I'm going to leave that there for now. I just hop onto the 512 to confirm our thinking. And the 512 hasn't been touched. I've left this up here for a few days now. You can see that price hasn't agreed with coming down this 1/2 line. So what may happen is it could come out a little bit, and then one of these transition points just kind of drop down into range. I've seen it happen many times in the past, but we'll wait and see whether or not it's going to happen here. As I zoom out, there's just something to consider. Just like every MTOPS setup, we need to consider market structure. So market structure says we need to have a certain amount of space considered with regards to time, not only just up and down price action. So that's what I feel is happening over here, is that we're covering ground from a space perspective so that we can have a decent market structure for the future turning points to build. So I'm going to leave that there for now and wait to see what happens next. If you're looking to take a position, I would suggest that you wait to get outside of the kill zone and then allow price to find its traveling fan and then ride that down as it goes through its notions. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for your attention and for tuning in. We'll catch up with you tomorrow.